Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Density.
What does the dictionary say?
The state or quality of being dense. Compactness. Closely set or crowded condition.
Math rap.
You want to learn about density real quick? It's a bit more than what makes things thick. It's a matter of the matter that's inside. You can test objects in water to decide.
Math rap.
Where do urban bears like to hibernate? Density. Explain density in your own words. Get a cup of water. Grab a sugar cube, toothpick, and a small stone. Guess which object is most dense. Test your guesses. What's heavier, a box of bricks weighing 10 pounds or a box full of feathers weighing 12 pounds? It's what's inside that matters. Research and make a list of 5 things with more density than your body. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!